Hey guys, feeling so blessed. It is my birthday and you guys, my house is all lit up. You know, courtesy, you guys have already seen that first part of the video, but I'm so thankful. I need to head into the kitchen right now. I'd mentioned it earlier to you guys this is the continuation literally from the vlog. I mentioned it to you guys earlier that I am cooking. Let me put this tripod stand. I am cooking. I am cooking.
The pot is not the biggest one.
I'm cooking, so I need to head into the kitchen right now and start whipping up. You guys, look at this cute band from Soti Baby. Soti Baby, Soti Mama. And I love it because my hair is a mess. I'm thinking of braiding. My hair is actually in a mess, so let me head into the kitchen. I'd show you guys this cake from my husband. So pretty. Cake is so pretty. Look at this. I got something to even do himself. So wow. The green pepper and the other things. This thing is bending. Go and give me a rag. sorry.
Put it on the stress.
Make an entrance, girl. Who wanna try this, girl? Woo! Can you see that bag? I told you she was coming, girl. Coming and come.
A few moments later.
For
Why do you think you are? What do you think?
Guys, so careful. Is that how they play? Careful, mommy. Careful.
A few moments later.
Just getting back home and I want to unpack all of this. I have about 3 takeaway bags. Okay, this is fries. I have about 3 takeaway bags that I brought back. I had such a salt, excuse me, sorry, bad habit. You guys, this is fries. Man, I'm stuffed. What a day it has been today. What a day. I'm going to sleep in bed. I had shorts. Thank God. I usually just take leave on my bed because I know that it's just a lot of enjoyment. I'm going to lay on my bed and I don't know if I'm going to wake up till like 9 o'clock tomorrow, but this is about past 12 and I'm just getting home. I've taken off my wig. I want to take off my wig up, have my shower, and go and lay next to my husband. In fact, I sort these things out inside the fridge. The fridge is so stuffed. Cake, so many things, you guys. It was such a swell time. From Onye's children's birthday, in fact, from this morning till now, such a swell time. Officially, it has come to the end of my birthday. Yeah, it's come to the end of my birthday. This is like past 12, so it's officially the end of my birthday. But anyways, guys, I would see you guys. Thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. Oh my god, I'm reading them and I have not even found the time to respond to them, but I'll respond to each and every one of them. But anyways, guys, like I said, let me go and shower, take off my makeup, and call it a night. I'll see you guys.